Magical Humans Uni here, and today I'm going to be doing slime pet peeves. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, and by the way, this is not to offend anyone. Oh my god, my hair's a mess. I don't like it. Oh, really weird. So let's get right into it. Number one, when they take forever to start playing with it. Number two, when they only use one finger to poke. This doesn't really bug me, but it does some people. God, you can't even see the slime. Number three, this one will do it. Squeezing it when there's no actual bubbles in it to pop. There was one that time though. Number four, like being too rough with the slime. Number five, ripping the slime. It won't rip anymore. Number six, when they say they have a small bit of slime when they actually have loads. So, guys, oh god, my finger's covering up the camera. This slime is not here, okay? So this is all slime I have. So I'm just going to keep ripping that out. This is all the slime I have. Number seven, when they just don't do anything with the slime, just roll it around and stuff. Number eight, when they're really heavily breathing. Number nine, when they, I've got it children, when they have background noise. I'm just gonna give them some background noise. That'll be really annoying. Hang on. Okay, I'm finding my mouse. Shh, psh, psh, psh. Number 10, the last one. What is this? I don't know. Just leaving it off center. This really bugs me as well because I hate things being off center. So that's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It really annoyed me doing that. So yeah,